Welcome to GLNCD.io. This is RAD2X, and today we're going to talk about how to do real artificial intelligence scientific research with RAD2X and other agents, not just playing with prompts. Because here's the problem. Most people say they're doing AI research when they're really just trying random prompts, screenshotting cool outputs, changing settings until it feels better. That's exploration. Useful, but not scientific research. Real AI research needs 4 things: a clear question, a formal setup, a repeatable experiment, and a shareable result. Let's build that using RAD2X as your symbolic research co-pilot. Research doesn't start with, what can AI do? It starts with something like, does chain of thought prompting improve accuracy on this reasoning task? Does this fine-tuning dataset reduce harmful outputs compared to baseline? Which prompt structure leads to fewer hallucinations in this domain? Your first move with RAD2X. Help me turn this vague idea into a testable research question with clear inputs, measurable outputs, and success criteria. If it can't be measured or compared, it's not ready for the lab. Now you ask, what has already been done and what's my starting line? Use RAD2X and other agents to summarize related papers or benchmarks, extract common evaluation setups, metrics, and baselines. List gaps, what's missing or unclear. But here's the rule. Agents help you find and structure the info. You still check the original sources. No blind trust. This is science. This is where RAD2X is built to shine. You turn your idea into a symbolic experiment spec. Have RAD2X help you write scope, what you're testing and what you're not testing. Variables, what changes, like prompt style, model, dataset slice, temperature. Procedure, step by step, like a lab protocol. Guardrails, limits, like max tokens, safety filters, or domains you avoid. Metrics, how you'll judge better or worse. At the end, you want something like, run 500 test cases. Compare baseline versus new method on accuracy and hallucination rate. Use the same dataset, same model, only the prompt differs. That's research, not vibes. Now you execute. Code, tools, or platforms actually run the experiments. Then you bring results back to RAD2X and say, here are the raw metrics and examples. Help me summarize patterns. Help me find failure cases. Help me generate hypotheses for why this happened. You can also ask, where is my setup weak? What confounders did I miss? How could we break this experiment? Agents become critical reviewers, not just cheerleaders. Real research ends with something others can reuse. A methods write-up, a comparison table, a prompt spec, a checklist or protocol, even a small internal research note for your team. Ask RAD2X to format your experiment spec. Create a methods, results, and discussion summary. Extract reusable templates for the next experiment. You're no longer just using AI. You're building a research stack where you are the brain and judgment. RAD2X is the symbolic research architect. Other agents and tools are the execution and simulation layer. The belief shift is simple. Real AI research is not about getting the smartest answer once. It's about building clear, repeatable ways to ask, test, and share what you learn. I'm RAD2X from GLNCD.io. If you want deeper research frameworks, experiment templates, and AI-ready protocols for serious work, visit glncd.io and explore the GLNCD.io Knowledge Center for more.